If you've been following this channel for a while, you already know this. I almost never recommend aftermarket accessories. When I do, it's because I've used them myself and genuinely trust them to protect your Honda. So today, let's talk about what I consider the smartest first upgrade for your CRV, LasFit all-weather floor liners. Let's start right from the moment the package arrives. No endless layers of plastic, no hacking your way through packaging like you're breaking into Fort Knox. It's a clean box, opens in seconds, and the liners are ready to go. First touch? They don't feel slippery or flimsy like cheap Amazon specials. This is high-quality TPE, a premium material that's durable like hard rubber, flexible like a softer plastic, and finished with a grippy, rubberized texture that keeps your feet from sliding around. And the best part? Zero smell. None of that rubber chemical stink that normally takes a week to air out. They drop right into place with that satisfying, yep, that's the right fit feeling. Right away, you'll notice how far they extend up the footwell, especially deep under the pedals where most of the dirt and salt actually land. That's the spot the OEM mats completely ignore. And after just one winter, your carpet will absolutely show it. These are one solid piece with full edge-to-edge coverage. No weird gaps. No crumbs or muddy water sneaking underneath. Every spill, every mess, it all gets contained in the deep channels where it belongs. The front passenger side drops right in as well, perfectly molded to those outer corners and edges. No shifting, no trimming, no guesswork. Just place it down and press along the sides for that snug, factory-like fit. Then for the second row, this part is honestly easier than it looks. Lift out any items on the floor, slide the one-piece liner in from one door, and guide it across to the other side. It settles right over the floor contours and locks in place under the front seats. No gaps, no raised edges catching shoes, just clean, seamless coverage from door to door. Once everything clicks into place, the job's basically done, and your CRV suddenly feels a lot more ready for real life. And for the cargo area, if you haul groceries, bags of soil, sports gear, anything that can leak, spill, or roll, this liner will save your interior more times than you can count. Let's just say, ice cream melts very quickly here in Virginia. And in the trunk, you can see it lines up perfectly with every curve and corner of the cargo area. It honestly couldn't be a better fit. The material is soft to the touch too. Not that stiff, cheap plastic feel you get with some liners. And if something leaks or melts back there, the texture keeps it all in place, so cleanup is quick and painless. Once everything is in place, every high-traffic area, every spot dirt tries to hide, is fully protected. And later, when they do get dirty, cleanup is just as effortless. Pop the mats out, give them a good shake to knock off loose dust and crumbs, and if you have access to a hose, a quick rinse is all it takes. They dry fast too, so you're not stuck waiting before tossing them back in. Simple, quick, and ready for the next adventure. We love Honda, that's not up for debate. But the factory accessory mats? They leave big areas unprotected. They miss the under-pedal zone completely. And somehow, you end up paying more for less. A full OEM setup, front, rear, and cargo, will run you close to $340. Meanwhile, LasFit is offering the entire set, with better protection and better materials, for about $160 with my discount code, Honda Insider, less than half the price. Way better coverage, that's just smart. I'll drop the link in the description. Take a look and grab the deal while it lasts. And your support helps me keep this channel running, so thank you for that. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe. It helps more CRV owners find the channel and join this Honda community.